Alright guys, another quick video. I'm going to do my headlights on this 2011 Honda CR-V that I picked up. You can see the clear coat is pretty much shot, so just wanted to show you what it looks like, and I'm going to do it with the same aquarium repair kit. Okay, so headlights are taped off real quick with painter's tape. Got my aquarium kit, like I said. This one I got it for free, but it retails for around 36 bucks. And like I showed you before, comes with a bunch of different great wet cloth backed sandpaper. The smoothest one is literally feels almost like suede. It's not there's no grit on it almost at all, but I'm sure with the acrylic it works. So I will start off with the, what is it, 200, 3200, 24, 15. Start off with the roughest one and work my way down and show you the process. So you can see this is where we're starting off at. Okay, so first cut is 1500 grit, and you can see how it does cut pretty deep into the plastic. So I'm going to rinse it off and just keep, like I said, working my way. That has that hazy look throughout it, and all the clear coat has been removed. Okay, so sun broke through. You can kind of see a little bit better. The haze or the yellowing has gone away. This is the driver's side. You can see the yellow, and this one hasn't been rinsed off. So yeah, you can definitely see the difference when you start getting rid of that clear coat. Okay, so this is what it looks like after the first grit has been sanded. Might want to hit a little bit harder right here, but you can see the yellowing, or that haze, has been pretty much completely removed. So I am about 4 grits into this now. This is what it looks like at this point. So you'll definitely start feeling the sandpaper move as you start removing the layer. You feel it moves a lot smoother. So I will keep working at it and show you the final results here, and then I'll buff it out and show you what it looks like when we're done. Alright guys, well, did every sheet of sandpaper, and you can see this is the final result. It doesn't look bad when it's wet, but if you're here, you can definitely see the haze. So now I'm going to do the buffing out with the drill, and hopefully this will be much clearer, and you can see what it looks like. Alright guys, so I've started buffing it out. It looks a lot better, but if you look really close, you can see the scratches on there. I'm gonna keep working it. For some reason the edges came out really nice, and I don't see any scratches there. It's mostly in this larger area that I'm seeing a little bit of haze. So most people would be happy with this. I am going to probably buff it out a little bit more, but yeah, this is pretty much the final result. Alright guys, so I decided to stop here. It's never going to be perfect. This car is 13 years old with 180,000 miles, so, but much better. What I ended up doing was I ended up using my finest grit, which is this 12,000, and because I had sanded a lot like this, I ended up putting a lot of deep scratches, so it was a little bit harder to remove. But I mean, I'm looking at it, looks like there was moisture or something on the inside, so it's never going to be perfect. But as you can see, much more improved. Got rid of all that haziness on the front. We'll see. I'm assuming it'll probably make a good difference at night. But yeah, these are what results you can get. Like I said, it's never going to be perfect because how much pitting and damage, sun damage, this lens has had. But yeah, very happy.